Hi, I'm Ruth Krishna with the Krishna team, and one of the things that we do is help our clients make more money through very simple renovations. When I first rolled up to this house, I took a look at it, thought it was so beautiful, and then when I walked inside, I realized that there were definitely some things that we could do in order to improve the overall look of the house and also in the process make our clients more money. So come in and I'll show you some of those. When I first entered this space, these rooms were very dark. Apparently, when the clients bought the house, this was originally, I think, the kitchen and the living room, and then they added the full back onto the house. There were no light fixtures in here. This was used as like a Peloton area with a screen, and then there was this little seating area that wasn't quite ever used. One of the challenges that we had is A, how do we bring light in here? And B, how do we make this a functional floor plan that someone walks into and says, wow, this is a place I want to live, and not, wow, this is really dark and weird. We made this into a nice little seating area. I love this little nook up here because it has a lot of light, and we wanted to bring in an oversized light. I find that bigger lights actually make more of a statement, and lighting is so important. I cannot stress the importance of having new updated lights. We wanted to make a more formal dining room over here. Again, matching the two light fixtures because the room really feels like one space, but creating two distinct spaces within that space. The kitchen has been beautifully renovated with Caesar stone countertops and new Italian cabinetry. And then you have the open concept to the living room, dining room, and then it flows graciously into the backyard. So the seller's son was using this space to make these really cool knives out of skateboards, if you can believe it or not. But it was Graffiti City in here. It was pretty rough and it looked like a beat up old shed. So we added some paint, added some rugs, added some lights, and voila, we have an amazing office. Depending on your unique situation, we can come over, figure out how to make you the most money by making updates to your home prior to sale. Feel free to reach out with any questions, and I would love to hear from you.